Hey guys, first of all, I want to say thank you for my returning subscribers. I want to say thank you for all my supporters, for always being supportive to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you this amazing gift that I got from one of my close friend and a sister. And this is it, guys. So I'm gonna be unboxing it and I'm gonna be showing you what she got for me. So we have this one here. You can see this is MAC Studio Fix Powder plus foundation. Wow. So let us remove this and see how it looks like inside. Oh, sorry. So we're going to remove this and we're going to see how it looks like. Yeah, so this is it, guys. You can see this is it. And see, brand new. Wow, just check this out, brand new. Thank you so much for this amazing gift. So next, wow, this is what is it called? Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Just look at this. Oh, you can see maybe Island, New York, yeah, and their foundation. So thank you for this amazing gift. We have another. Wow, just look at this, guys. This is Olive by Wakali, Olive Moisturizing and Anti-Wrinkle Skin Cream. Let us see how it looks like. We're gonna be unboxing this. Let us see how it looks like inside. This is Olive by Wakali, Olive Moisturizing and Anti-Wrinkle Skin Cream. Wow, so they told me I'm gonna be applying this once every day or anytime I think it's okay with me. So this will help my skin to be smooth and not have bumps, like I don't know how to explain, but I'm gonna be using this and see how it works with my skin. I hope it's gonna help me. Thank you so much once again, and to say thank you for this amazing gift. I really appreciate it. I don't know how it looks like inside. Let me see. Wow, what is this? So I have to remove. Yeah, this is the cream. This is how it looks like. It's really nice. It's white in color. So I really appreciate this amazing gift from my friend. May God bless you, my sister. Thank you so much. Wow, really appreciate. If it is your first time to be in my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell in order to get more of my videos. Yeah, so please give me a like and let me know what you think about this product. And this is made coconut. Wow. So once again, I want to say thank you my sister. May God bless you. Thank you so much. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.